Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Hydrostore.shop. So Hydrosip is basically an online platform that sells wide variety of items, especially the Labubu dolls. So now let's find out if they're just chasing a pretty much frequently purchased item or a trendy item, or they're actually a legit platform. As you can see, the Hydrosip has a worst possible reviews and Trustpilot website. Just 1.4 out of 5 stars, which is actually based on 77 reviews. You might be wondering why so much people have bought the items from this product. Because it was just trendy and the scam just made a bold move, a great move, by selling the trendy items on their store. As you can see, the people are pretty much getting mad at this platform and they got scammed. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on these 77 reviews, you should avoid purchasing Labubu dolls from this platform or any other item. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.